Yeah, Mzansi, this one is for you. Listen, Mr. President, do you hear our cry? South Africans hurting, days going by. Foreigners hustling just to survive. Same streets, same struggle, same way of life. One land, one love, no reason to fight. Fix the system, not people, make the future right. One land, one love, no reason to fight. Fix the system, not people, make the future right. Township dreams with a city view. Load shedding nights, candles see us through. Promises loud, but silence after votes. We tired of speeches, we need real hope. Foreign brothers selling just to eat. Local youth standing with no job on the street. Anger growing, violence in the air, but hate won't fix it, life isn't fair. Mr. President, do you hear our cry? South Africans hurting, days going by. Foreigners hustling just to survive. Same street, same struggle, same way of life. One land, one love, no reason to fight. Fix the system, not people, make the future right. One land, one love, no reason to fight. Fix the system, not people, make the future right. Ubuntu fading, we need it back. Poor versus poor, that's a setup trap. Crime is the enemy, hunger the spark. Government sleeping while we in the dark. From Durban to Josie, Cape to the north. Different accents but same human worth. This is Mzansi, let's stand as one. Divided we lose, together we won. One land, one love, hear our cry. Mr. President, don't let hope die. Same sun above us, same blue sky. Mzansi for all, this is our life. Mr. President,